How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's Panchroma translucent PLA in cyan. So one of the things I do like about Polymaker in general is the fact that they don't put stickers or anything like that on their boxes on top of the seal where you would open it. It's very annoying when that happens. Do like the fact that it comes in with this nice resealable bag, which is useful if you are in a pinch for storage. Keeps it nice and dry. I would prefer particularly for PLA if it was also a Mylar bag. There was a little bit, but this is the cyan. Overall, I'd say pretty good. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that there in the filament dryer. Anyway, here is the benchy. If you're new here, we always start out by working a benchy in the generic filament settings, in this case, generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up, and we will, see that should take just a little over 45 minutes. But overall, I'd say pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and do that and all the other test prints. All right, and here they are. So as you know, we start out with that generic benchy. As you can see, there is a touch of stringing there, but overall, I'd say pretty good. The lettering, everything like else pretty much is all right. So we're going to see about rectifying that stringing issue as we move forward. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Overall, I'd say looks pretty good. No real major defects. I do love this cyan color. It's nice, vibrant, and a little bit translucent when it comes to the look of it. Very nice. The temp tower had a little bit of an issue there at the top, but overall it didn't impact where the temp is, which I would say is 210. That spike had the least amount of stringing and very little glopping on the spike there, so always good to see. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No real major issues with that. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This performed very well at 20 millimeters cubed per second. No real loss of quality or skipping of lines or anything like that. So always good to see. The overhang test. So the overhang test did fail, as you can see. Looks like it was right at about 60-ish degrees. But just consider enabling supports around that. You'll do fine. Anyway, we got those things dialed in, and we reprinted that benchy. As you can see, we were able to take care of that stringing. No real major other issues whatsoever. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $18 per kilogram. Again, link is in the description down below. So my overall thoughts for this one. I love the vibrant cyan color. Absolutely great to see it in a translucent thing. This should probably help if you're looking at doing full spectrum 3D printing, but I haven't tested that out yet. Overall, I'd say pretty good, and especially for that price. Anyway, that's been Polymaker's Panchroma translucent PLA in cyan. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. Be kind to each other. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.